It allows my Mitsubishi specialist salesman to design complex jobs that would have probably taken additional assistance without the technology built into the app, where they can go out in an hour, hour and a half, quote a $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 job. I send out my install supervisor to verify it, and it's spot on. Currently, we are absolutely killing it with the new Mitsubishi IntelliHeat coil technology. We can take what would have been a $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 average ticket, and this happens on a weekly basis, turn it into a $20,000, $30,000+ ticket. We're actually leading the nation right now in unit sales. We got the Service Excellence Award because of our partnership and our overall success with the brand. Because of the technology built into Sales Builder Pro that has limitations of line set length, horizontal, vertical runs, when a branch box is needed, when the sizing of an outdoor unit becomes incompatible with the number of heads that are being put on the inside, the actual app itself will instruct the comfort consultant that this is not compatible. This is not going to work. So it helps self-correct mistakes on the front end, which alleviates the necessity for additional visits. Saves me money, saves me time, is more convenient for the consumer, and helps us eliminate mistakes. The biggest advantage that we've seen with Sales Builder Pro, number one, is increase in average ticket. Second part of that, and this is a back end piece of it, 100% accuracy in pricing. It does all of the addition. We're able to incorporate not only our pricing, but utility rebates, manufacturer rebates, government rebates into the proposal itself. It's also done in a way that is incredibly beneficial to the consumer, so they can actually visualize the savings that they are experiencing. Another thing that I love is that the comfort consultant can actually personalize every proposal to the consumer. So if it is going to be a multi-head system, they can actually assign the names of the rooms that the heads or that the Mitsubishi equipment is going to go into. I love the application because it's so versatile. And while you can follow processes, it allows the comfort consultant, through listening to the consumer, to present to them exactly the solution they're looking for. The biggest thing that I require of any of our vendors is if I call you, you pick up the phone. Most of the time I'm calling with revenue-driven opportunities, and the IMS support team, in my opinion, is best of best class.